Hello guys, this is FixTube. I had just posted a video for you guys about how to solve this problem about the battle eye of the PUBG, and I think most of you guys have just solved the issue and you told me that you're okay, but some others still have the problem. So I just emailed PUBG support and they gave me another solutions. So let's go and see how we can solve this for the guys who still have this problem with their Windows. So first of all, they told me to disable the antivirus and any third-party firewall, or make an exception when launching the game and performing a clean boot. So about number one, I have just explained about it in my first video, so you can check it there if you haven't done it yet. But about how to perform a clean boot, there's a website in here for Microsoft support. You can check it out and find it here. So first of all, we have to create a local user or administrator account in Windows. So in the taskbar, as it is said, you have to type msconfig and system configuration, and we have to disable some of these in the service tab. So in the service tab configuration, select hide all Microsoft services and then select disable all and select apply. So after doing this, on the startup, you have to close any application you have, but make sure that you know what were these applications in order to activate them later. So after doing this and clicking on apply, you have to come and when you click OK, your computer will be restarted and you have just started the clean boot environment. So you have to just check the applications you have disabled one by one, and in this page from Microsoft support, it is told that it's better to disable half of them and just check if the error is there or not, and if it was still there, activate them and disable another half. So you have to just restrict the options you have. For example, you have 10 applications in here, you have to check one by one, or in 2 by 2 groups, 5 by 2 groups, so you can make sure which one is just preventing your PUBG from working which one is preventing your PUBG from working correctly. So this is the first solution for you guys, and the second one, after this, some of the people still have the problem, so there's another solution. To type this command in the command prompt, and you have to open it in the admin mode. So just type this one in the command prompt and then press enter. So you have to wait several minutes and the command operation will be completed. After doing this, you have just done the DISM scan, which is the system file checker tool. And if you still had the problem, I will also give you this link from the Microsoft support, so that you can just do it as it said exactly. I've done these two and tried them for some different PCs, and they just had the problem solved. I wish you guys can do it too, so you can just continue playing PUBG. Thank you for watching this video. I will give the 2 links of this website for you guys in order to help you solve this problem. Also watch my first video about PUBG if you are watching this video as the first one about the battle eye error. So after doing that, and if you didn't get to a positive conclusion, you can just then come and watch this video. Thank you so much.